Take a look at this webcam video. It's a maintenance worker from Looking Glass Apartments wandering through two female students' apartment while they were gone. The ladies who live here say they had a feeling something wasn't right.
They were coming in more often than they were supposed to be. We didn't realize that it was more often than they were supposed to be until we went and talked to management, and they told us that they're only supposed to come in once a month. And so we were like, okay, well, that's kind of weird.
So they set up their webcam and watched. They didn't have to wait long. Police arrested Jeffrey B. Dickinson for burglary and theft after they watched video of him entering the apartment unlawfully.
The young lady was able to see that it was her maintenance man, Jeffrey Dickinson, inside of her apartment, and he did steal $10 off of a bedroom dresser. She took that footage, contacted GPD, and officers immediately started investigating.
The victim caught the intruder using Witness, an application that connects your computer with your iPhone. If motion is detected in your home, it sends a signal straight to your iPhone, letting you know that someone is in your place uninvited.
Yeah, he was in my personal space, in my living quarters. So yeah, I don't know what he was doing in my apartment, in my bedroom or what.
Turns out Edwards may be wanted for another incident. Police think he's the man who entered the apartment uninvited while one of the victims was sleeping. Looking Glass management says they're taking the incident seriously. Dickinson passed all background checks and did not have a work order to be in the girl's apartment.
We're notifying all the tenants of a potential key breach, and we're changing all the locks in all of our apartments. Whatever it takes. I mean, the safety of our tenants is our utmost concern.
Mallory says she'll be back at Looking Glass for summer classes, and she'll rest easier knowing Dickinson is behind bars, but she's still on the lookout.
I think women are gifted with this intuition and a gift of fear, my mom calls it. And I mean, if you feel that, pay attention to it. We felt it, and I mean, we didn't want to point fingers, but we still paid attention to it and got that Witness program. And I mean, just pay attention to it because you never know what it could be.
Sia New Yorker, GTN News, working for you.